Cash Legends currently claims its platform distributes $13 million in prizes every month across its games, making it one of the biggest published prize pool figures among the apps on this list. By the end, you'll know 5 real money bingo apps, ranked by their cash game potential, how their payout systems work, and what to check before putting money into a tournament. Oi Cash Legends takes the #1 spot. Its App Store listing says the platform distributes $13 in prizes every month across its games, including bingo and other skill-based games. That figure applies to the entire platform, not one bingo player or one game. Use the free games first and check the cash entry rules before paying to compete. Egg. Cash Bingo A ranks second. Bring It On Games describes it as a skill-based bingo game with free play and real money competitions. The listed payment methods include PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and Apple Pay for eligible users. That gives you several withdrawal options, but the available cash features can depend on eligibility and location. Bingo Cash takes third place. It's designed around competitive bingo tournaments and separates bonus funds from withdrawable cash. That distinction matters because a larger displayed balance doesn't necessarily mean all of it can be withdrawn. Check the tournament entry fee and withdrawal requirements before playing for cash. Bingo Clash comes in fourth. It uses head-to-head bingo matches rather than a traditional bingo room format. Avia Games lists PayPal among its withdrawal methods for eligible players. The cash competitions are skill-based, so the prize you receive depends on the specific match and its rules. Blackout Bingo A rounds out the top 5 die. It uses a fast-paced format where numbers appear quickly, and you mark your card as you play. Free games are available, while paid tournaments can offer real money prizes. Start with free play if you're unfamiliar with the format. There's one thing to remember about the phrase, i.e., highest paying. A large prize pool doesn't mean you'll personally earn a large amount. Prize pools can be spread across many players and tournaments, and paid competitions can also cost money to enter. Before choosing an app, check the actual tournament entry fee, advertised prize amount, withdrawal method, and whether cash games are available in your location. Also separate platform-wide prize claims from individual payouts. Cash Legends' $13 million monthly figure, for example, covers prizes across its games rather than a guaranteed amount for bingo players. So the ranking is each Cash Legends, Big Cash Bingo, Bingo Cash, Bingo Clash, and Blackout Bingo Die. The practical move is to compare the entry fee against the stated prize structure, start with free gameplay, and verify the withdrawal rules before depositing. These apps can offer real money prizes, but none should be treated as guaranteed income. If you want more rankings of real money gaming apps, like the video and subscribe.